Where has the red alert come from?
It came from the office of the President, Ministry of Interior.
But
I sent you the alert.
Yes, indeed. But yesterday,
I've sent you a copy of the alert.
Okay, the same ministry cleared you to come in. They even issued a press release saying Miguna Miguna is free to come back home.
The ministry is supposed to comply with court orders of 2018 and also the court orders that were issued yesterday. But the same ministry and the same government went behind the Kenyan people and issued a red alert saying I should not be allowed to board the flight. In fact, they demanded that my flight must be cancelled and my money be refunded.
What? Let me ask
Otherwise, the flight would not be allowed to run.
Let me ask you this, Miguna. When you left Canada yesterday, was there any problem at the airport?
No problem. Even entering Germany, no problem. So the red alert was issued by the Kenyan government denying me the leg that is from Germany to Kenya. They really don't care if I fly to Europe or any other Africa or any other country in the world. What the regime in Kenya does not want is for me to be able to travel to Kenya. So I think they believe that if I travel to an African country, I could enter Kenya. And that is why they have said that I should not be allowed to go to any other African country.
Okay.
Clearly, that is the intention.
What happens now, Miguna?
Well, I'm waiting because I've already sent an SOS to my lawyers. And because Lufthansa said they have no issue. They can allow me in as long as they receive a written notice from the government of Kenya that I'm allowed to enter Kenya.
So you're patiently...
So they're saying that communication should be sent to Lufthansa, and if that is received, I will be allowed to board. So I'm just waiting.
Okay.
Still have to check in.
So if CS Matiang'i is listening to you right now, Miguna, and DCI...
It is not Matiang'i. It is... no, Jeff. This is Uhuru Kenyatta. This is above Matiang'i. Matiang'i cannot disobey court orders. This flagrant abuse of power and disobedience of court orders is coming right at the top. But Matiang'i is just a mtu wa mkono like you. He's being told what to do.
But Miguna, why would anyone want to bar you from coming home now? I mean, it's been more than a year now.
Why did they break into my house? Why did they detain me? Why did they do that in violation of my rights and against the court orders? It is the same reason. You can't really be seriously, Jeff, after 2 years, be asking the question why, when you know the reason why.
But you are determined to come back, aren't you, Miguna, no matter what?
I am here and I am coming back as soon as I am allowed to board the flight. Unfortunately, they are not allowing me. It seems like they are too desperate and way too scared.
And how much time do you have for boarding, Miguna? How much time between until the gates close?
The flight is supposed to leave at 7:45. What's the time now?
In Nairobi time, it's 8:55.
No. It's about it's 5 minutes to 7.
Okay.
So we have 50 minutes to clear check-in and security. We don't have a lot of time, actually.
No, you don't.
But I'm waiting, which means that if they do something right now, I can still take my flight.
Miguna, you sound very calm for a person who has been under so much duress.
What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do, Jeff? Of course I have to be calm. I'm not supposed to be crying.
Yeah, sure.
I can't cry. I'm a big man.
And a big man with a sense of humor, Miguna. Listen, I hope the official...
And they know that.
Yes.
They know I'm not scared of them.
Yes, you're not.
They know these are the type of things that I consider weakness.
Right.
These are not... actions by somebody who is strong.
Listen,
you don't deny an unarmed Kenyan citizen the right to enter his country of birth and citizenship if you're not scared.
Yeah.
And you know, in the red alert, they are calling me a Canadian. They're not calling me a Kenyan.
Oh, what? Is that right?
Completely disobeying. Yeah, the red alert calls me a Canadian.
And I've just received a copy of the red alert that you just sent. Well, WhatsApp to me. I see it here. Yeah.
That's exactly what they sent to this authority.
Good Lord.
It's written in German, but I think you can have somebody translate it.
Exactly. Listen, Miguna, if please, we have less than an hour, so keep us posted either way. Hopefully the alert will be rescinded.
Well, I've already given you the information. Please don't distort. Just report. Yeah, I know that the Kenyan media works for the state, but at least just report.
Reporting as we speak. You are going out live as we speak, Miguna. So thank you for the update, and we'll definitely keep you posted.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Good luck. Okay.
Thank you, my friend.
All right, brother.
Thank you.